Hey you, would you like to know how to overcome nervous energy for public performances? Does the idea of public speaking make you want to turn around and run home? And do you ever get concerned that you'll be in the spotlight and when you open your mouth, the words that come out might sound a little like this? If so, then this is definitely for you. Over many years, I've done countless TV and radio appearances. Some of it went well, and if it didn't go well, it was a good learning lesson. I've also competed in public speaking and even done stand-up comedy, which is hard enough to do when you're actually funny, and when you're not, well, you can imagine how that went for me. Anyways, I've gone ahead and figured out some success secrets, and I'm going to share them with you. I'm here to help. Here's 7 powerful tips to get you ready to perform at your best. Number 1, make your checklist. Make notes of any little thing you know you'll have to do, things you need to say, contact info, addresses, references, or anything else that needs to be remembered. Ask yourself, what could go wrong? Avoid unnecessary risk by seeing problems in advance. Then ask yourself, how can I be prepared? For example, have you set a backup alarm in case your first alarm doesn't go off? Have you printed notes in case the computer or slideshow projector fails? And what kinds of challenging questions might you be asked? Can you do some research and prepare the best answers in advance? Number 2, relax your body. A nervous body can create a nervous mind. To release nervous energy, you can do some stretching or do tension and relaxation drills by squeezing every muscle in your body for 5 seconds as hard as you can, then relaxing and repeating a few times. Number 3, optimize dietary choices. Have you made a plan for pre-performance food and drink consumption? The best way to guarantee you'll eat and drink the things that you know agree with you is to bring them with you. Also, green tea can help bring out a calm wakefulness, but be careful with coffee and energy drinks or you could feel out of breath faster, get agitated and hyper, and start talking a little squirrely. One very strategic option to consider trying is to have a warm drink to keep your throat in a prime state to vocalize your message. For example, you could try a vocal harmony elixir by mixing hot water, lemon juice, ginger, cayenne, and honey. The idea is to sip the mixture before and during your performance. This drink is used by a number of professional vocalists. It can help clear that frog in the throat feeling. Number 4, remember what you're capable of. In order to crush your self-doubts, remember your past successes. There have been times in your life when you've gone from struggle to success and defied the odds. Now is the time to remember those moments. Remember the times you've poured your entire heart and soul into something. Remember when you've been caught off guard and still found a way to succeed. Remember how you've survived physical, mental, or emotional hardships. Force yourself to remember these times in order to overcome self-doubt. Remember, you've done hard things. You've always found a way. You've done it before and you can do it again. Number 5, remember you're here to help people. Forget about yourself in a healthy way. Get so busy thinking about how you can help others that you simply don't have time to get involved and absorbed in fears and insecurities about yourself. People want you to succeed. When you perform at your best, they benefit more from your performance. Focus on loving the audience as much as you can. A mantra you could repeat is, I love people, I love people, I love people. Or you can say, I'm here to do the best I can for everyone, no matter what it takes. Tune into their needs and respond to their thoughts and feelings. And keep it simple for them. Simplify those complex ideas and communicate them like you're speaking to children. It helps you pace yourself and be clear and make every word count. And bring the energy. Act enthusiastic and you'll be enthusiastic. Don't expect the audience to uplift you. Uplift them first. Make them feel good and they'll return the favor. Number 6, have a healthy detachment to outcomes. If you focus on outcomes, it can make you fall to pieces when things aren't going so well. If you focus on efforts, you're more likely to achieve a better outcome. Also, remember that in an ultimate sense, you can't fail. If you don't get the result you're looking for, you'll get valuable wisdom and experience that helps you be better in future. And who you become is more important than how you perform. So pull all the learning lessons you can out of each experience. Always ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And if you make a mistake in your performance, you can turn it around. Talk about it in a humorous and honest way, and people will likely reward you with laughter. For example, if you tell a joke and nobody laughs, make fun of yourself when it happens. You can always say, well, that joke didn't work out. Or you could say, I told that joke at family dinner last night and everyone laughed. I wish they were all here right now. Number 7, trust you are supported by something bigger than you. How can you give yourself a level of confidence that is greater than any fear? This is a skill you can learn like anything else, and there are a number of ways you can do this. Choose the way that works best for you. Some people might remind themselves that they are loved and supported. Some people might find confidence by imagining their highest self and their highest potential in life. Get clear on that. Believe in that. Have confidence in that. In closing, we only have so many public performances we'll do in our lives. Make them count. Careful reflection and planning is the price of greatness. Be willing to pay that price. The biggest test for many of us will be whether or not we'll remember what needs to be remembered. Save and use this video as a resource to rewatch to help you be your best before any important performances. Because you're worth it, your life matters, your mission matters, and we're rooting for you in the game of life.